Hello. Esthetician program is based on the beautification of the skin. It's a 600-hour program. Your education will be based on both theory and practical work. Upon completion of the program, you will go and sit for your state board exam to obtain your license so that you can practice as an esthetician. Normally, the starting salary is usually about $41,000 to $42,000 a year. The program on the Lee County campus is offered as a full-time student and as a part-time student. We also have an evening program. As a full-time student, you can complete the program in one semester. If you decide to come as a part-time student, then it's 2 semesters, both fall and spring. And that also is in the evening as well. You'll have to come for 2 semesters, fall and spring. I thank you for your time today, for your interest in the program, and I hope that you choose any of the curriculums that we have here at Central Carolina Community College. I wish you both luck and prosperity.